So you've set up your online store using Shopify, but you're not a fan of the Powered by Shopify branding in your website's footer. No worries. In this video, I will show you how to remove the Powered by Shopify text from your storefront. Let's get started. In your Shopify dashboard, navigate to Online Store and then select Themes. Click on the three-dot menu next to your active theme, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit Default Theme Content. Type Powered into the Filter Items search box. Once you've located the Powered by Shopify box under Checkout and System, press the spacebar on your keyboard to type a single space to remove the text. Save your changes. The Powered by Shopify tag will be removed from your storefront. If the Powered by Shopify message still appears after editing the default theme content, then follow these steps. Go to Online Store in your Shopify dashboard and click on Themes to access the theme library. Click on the three-dot menu next to the active theme. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. In the section search bar, type Footer to find the footer.liquid file and click on it. Use Ctrl+F on a Windows or Command+F on a Mac, search for the Powered by Shopify link, select this line of code, and delete it. Don't forget to click Save to save your changes, and voila! You've successfully removed the Powered by Shopify tag from your storefront. If you need any help related to Shopify, you can hire a Shopify expert now. The link is in the description below this video. Please comment below with your opinion, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials to boost your online knowledge.